replace the hammer handle. So we need a few things to do that with. One, we're going to need some sort of a saw. We have a bandsaw. If you don't have a bandsaw, you could use a hacksaw or any other saw to cut that head off. We have a drill, so we can drill out some of this wood inside the eye. We're going to need a hammer to set some things, a new handle. We got a piece of 1/4 by 1 that we've ground off a little bit to knock that slug out of there. We got a little chisel sharpened up. Once we seat the hammer handle into there, we're going to need to open the slot back up again. We have a new wood wedge and a new metal wedge. So let's cut this off. Go to a vise. And we'll drill out some of that wood. So we removed some of the wood with the drill. Now let's knock that out of there. I'm going to set it over the hardy hole on this anvil at an angle. Take our piece of 1/4 by 1. I'm going to try to knock that out. Now we've cleaned that up. This would be a good time if you want to do any work or polish, repolish your head. Now's the time to do it. You've got it out. Go take care of that when you're all ready. Notice that there's a large size, small side. Large side always goes down into the handle. Just start that up. If you listen to the tone as we pound this back on, you can tell when you've seated it out. It starts out at a low tone, goes to a high pitch. We're seated out. Now you might need a third hand for this, so let's go back to the vise. Take the chisel, put it into that slot. Just open it back up again. Set the wood wedge in. Just get it started. Let's undo it. Now when you pound the wood wedge in, just take your time. Have the wedge pointed away from you. Just tap it in straight as you can until it seats out. Like that. Now let's cut off this excess. Like that. Now we'll take our steel wedge. This you can kind of balance. We're going to put that steel wedge in 90 degrees to that wood wedge. Just get it started. And now pound that in. And we're good to go.